Introduction to Influencer Marketing. What is influencer marketing? Influencer marketing is a new digital marketing strategy that consists of achieving a series of collaborative links between brands and companies and those people with high visibility and prominence on the internet, known as influencers. But what are influencers? Influencers are not superhumans or magic creatures that hold the secret of social networks in a magic book. They are people who are simply characterized by having a lot of receptivity and charisma in the virtual world. Some of them, like YouTubers, for example, have channels with thousands, and in some cases even millions, of subscribers and followers. Influencers play a role that is a product of technological evolution, which plays a critical role in today's life. Naturally, these social network kings are real diamonds in the rough for brands, companies, organizations, and even entrepreneurs with emerging businesses. Their critique of a specific product or their appearance using a brand of clothing, for instance, can considerably increase the widespread acceptance of a specific brand and, therefore, boost sales like foam. For a company, applying this strategy can bring significant benefits. Some are as follows. You get to amplify the positive messages of the brand or company. You will generate a lot of conversation on the net about the products offered by the brand. It increases traffic to the website or social network profile of the brand that the influencer is promoting. The brand gains a good reputation and high prestige. If designed well, a campaign with influencers does not have to be expensive and can yield a satisfactory and profitable return on investment, ROI. Influencers are generally followed by a target audience characterized for being very consumerist and for having high purchase power, millennials. But, becoming an influencer or being considered an influencer is not only about having many followers. It is about having your opinion followed and considered by a particular audience. And at the same time, this implies a lot of hard work that involves a lot of learning, perseverance, and dedication. To be a successful influencer, you must not only know how to use the leading social networks, much less how to make beautiful publications. It is a role considered a profession and that you must take very seriously if you want to be considered by the biggest brands in the market. If you wish to be successful, we don't have a magic formula, but we have prepared this ebook with some secrets that will surely change your perspective and guide you in the process of becoming an influencer.